Have you ever felt the need to yawn and stretch your muscles in the middle of a lecture or a meeting that was coming to an end? We've all experienced that, haven't we? Yawning and stretching happens at the most inconvenient moments. Today, we'll delve to learn what's behind yawning and stretching. So come along with me as we explore the secrets of why we yawn and stretch. What is yawning? Yawning is a typical and physiologically natural activity that is present in both humans and other living beings. Here are some key characteristics of yawning. Number 1. Involuntary. Typically, we can hold off on yawning for a while, but it's hard to control. This implies that it is hard to control it. Number 2. Contagious. Have you ever observed that when someone yawns close, even if you weren't feeling sleepy or fatigued, you frequently find yourself yawning as well? Spreading yawning is an occurrence that is a part of human behavior. Number 3. Incident in people. In humans, transmission of yawning is extremely common. According to studies, between 50% and 60% of people yawn when they see or hear another person yawn. Number 4. In animals, spreading. Yawning is not just a human behavior. Some animals, particularly dogs and mammals, also similarly show it. Theories behind yawning. Although many suggestions have been put out by scientists to explain why we yawn, study into the specific cause is still ongoing. Here are a few well-known assumptions. Number 1. Regulation of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Yawning improves in controlling blood levels of carbon dioxide and oxygen. A deep breath when we yawn could enhance oxygen intake and decrease our carbon dioxide output. Number 2. Brain cooling. Some scientists claim that yawning causes the brain to cool. During a yawn, a lot of air is inhaled, which may help cool the blood flowing to the brain and remove heat from the blood vessels in the head. Number 3. The feeling of being aware. When waking up or becoming more awake, yawning frequently happens. It may help in getting the body and brain ready for more physical activity. Number 4. Social bonding and communication. The spreading nature of yawning has encouraged social connection to yawn when others yawn. It happens to humans and animals. Benefits of yawning. Number 1. Increased oxygen intake. Despite the issues surrounding the oxygen regulation idea, yawning does involve a significant breath that might temporarily increase blood oxygen levels. Number 2. Brain cooling. Keeping the brain at its ideal temperature can help keep the brain sharp and alert. Number 3. Forming social bonds. Because yawning is spreadable, it may increase social interactions by encouraging relationships and empathy. Benefits of stretching. Number 1. More flexibility. The possibility of motion utilized in daily activities and sports can be increased with regular stretching of the muscles and joints. Number 2. Improvement in blood circulation. When muscles are stretched, blood flow is increased, which helps speed up muscle healing and lessen pain. Number 3. Muscle relaxing. Stretching can assist release of stress in the muscles and lower the chance of cramps and pain. Number 4. Reduced stress. Stretching can help you relax by producing hormones and lowering your anxiety and stress levels. In conclusion, yawning and stretching are both fascinating physiological processes that may be favorable for our physical and mental health, although what it actually does is still up for debate. Yawning seems to play a part in oxygen management, brain cooling, and social bonding. On the other hand, stretching is a conscious action with proven advantages for flexibility, circulation, injury prevention, and stress reduction. Despite appearing routine, both actions are crucial to preserving our interactions with others and general well-being. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to watch important videos like this. Goodbye for today, until we meet again.